Well, hello there, folks. My name is Mark Miles, and I love helping trainers, presenters, workshop facilitators really take their results to the next level. Today's video is all about online delivery. Now, if you are someone that presents courses online or runs workshops, however you define it, this video, I am going to bag that something out of something, right? So today's video is a little bit biased, well, if not 100% biased, right? So whenever I train and present, I am often in a conundrum or a situation of sometimes a client will ask me to use Teams for delivery. And this is where it gets very personal. I hate Teams. I hate delivering workshops via Teams. Sorry if you're a Teams fan, but Zoom will always outperform Teams. Sorry, that's the fact, right? So for me, I really am very passionate about tools and functions that make delivery as engaging as possible. And in today's video, I want to give you 3 simple things that Zoom can outdo Teams. So the first one there is the pause button. The pause button. Now, you may think that's a very simple little function thing that no one really cares about, but the pause button, when you're sharing your screen, it allows you to actually show a screen, work on something else while people are looking at your screen, and then do strategic reveals. So that could be you're working on the same document and then you, ta-da, here we are, this is some extra stuff, here you are, right? Or you're working on another document and then you can go, bam, here it is, right? But with Teams, you actually have to show a document, stop showing the document, show the new document, right? It's clunky, it really is, right? Now, second one is the breakout rooms. When you're setting up the breakout rooms in Zoom, it is so much easier, so much more simple to move people around. You don't need to do extra click to get to the function that you need to or you want to do. Now, the third one is essentially the chat box also allows you to do a couple of extra things. The chat box allows you to take the chat box out. You can easily remove it from the main screen so you can actually move the chat box around, all right? Now, what else can you do? You can also change the font and bold things within the chat box. It's pretty cool. You can also easily drop things into the chat box, and you can essentially have a lot more flexibility with the chat box. You can actually separate it out so you've got multiple things available to you, whereas with Teams, it's kind of locked in and it's just clunkier. And also, just going to say one more thing, with the views, you've got more options for views for looking at the audience, right? So in Zoom, you've got speaker view, gallery view, all these different extra views, right? And I'm going to go one more. In Zoom, I just get a little bit passionate about this, right? But in Zoom, you've also got a lot more easy accessibility to your backgrounds, right? It's a lot easier to do multiple backgrounds, do corporate backgrounds. And yes, I know you can do it in Teams, but it's just a lot clunkier, and you got to go through more steps to try and work out where are the backgrounds that you need to change or you want to change, right? I just find it harder. But Zoom, you just click on one thing and you got everything that you need, right? So this video was all about, essentially, if you're going to run online workshops, choose Zoom. I'm not paid by Zoom, but I've just found that Teams is so much more clunky. If you got value from the video, like, comment, share. Let's get the message out there. If you disagree with me, totally fine. I put this post on LinkedIn, and I got so many people liking and loving the Zoom, and we got a few people, sticking up for the old Teams, which is great. However, at the end of the day, you use what you prefer, but I am going to say on a personal level, I absolutely love and will always go to Zoom. Thanks for watching, team. We'll see you on the next one. My name is Mark Miles, helping you become the best trainer, presenter, coach, mentor you can be in the training space. Thanks for watching, team. We'll see you on the next one.